Welcome to my beauty channel. This is Angela Wright. I want to do 50 questions and answers so that you can actually get to know me a little better here on my channel. So my favorite color is lilac. Basically a pinky lilac is what I like. Over time it changed and it became purpley lilac, and then it changed to pinky lilac. My birthday is in August. I am a Leo Virgo. So basically I have a birthday that is on the cusp when my Leo side wants to be creative and throw caution to the wind and spin, and my Virgo side is no, you cannot do that. We have to be disciplined, we have to be organized, and so that's how each of my signs kind of keep each other in check. The equipment that I use is Canon EOS M50. I am learning on Adobe as well. For my birthday, I flew an airplane. That's exciting to know about me. I went up in the air and the pilot pretty much instructed me how to basically elevate at every stage, and I was able to fly over the DC Potomac and Virginia area. Another thing you should know about me is that I have two beautiful kids. I have one that's 10 and one that is 12. The one that's 10, he is very vibrant and rambunctious, and so my youngest is going to be turning 11 and my oldest is going to be turning 13 this year. So I am excited for them at every stage, every growing stage. I'm excited about them, and I am a bit of a soccer mom as well, and I just really enjoy being with them out on the field, watching them being so excited. My little Xavier, he's just like this soccer star all in his world, and so is Tristan, and they are so amazing, two amazing kids, and I just love them. And I want to use YouTube as a platform to have fun and motivate, inspire beauty within, and I would like to create a little boutique online because that's just really my speed, and I would like to explore my artistry, my makeup artistry with you guys, and hopefully you guys can pick up some things along the way and just have fun on this journey. My favorite movies are action, drama, period piece, and military movies. I love those types of movies. I can binge on those types of movies and series all day. I just love to binge on Love Paradise and all kinds of love series. It's just amazing. Temptation Island. I just love all those types of series. They get me excited. Love to collect makeup and indulge in self-care, and that's just like my favorite thing to do from day to day. I love to eat healthy, and on the healthy side, on the lighter side, that's pretty much how I like to eat every day. A salad for lunch, and I like to cook breakfast for the kids, and then at night I try to keep my meals a little on the lighter side. It doesn't always happen, but it goes. I have a knack for creativity and crafty ventures, so hopefully we'll be able to see some of that in my channel. My favorite food is steak and shrimp. So basically when I'm not in a mood or I'm in a mood, basically I like to have a steak. I love to have shrimp. I have a very vibrant personality, and I like to set boundaries, and I have no time for the fake or the BS. And pretty much I have learned to expel any negativity or people, places, or things that just doesn't vibe with me, because I just like to just keep my inner happiness and peace going, and I hope you guys feel the same way too. I'm very compassionate in nature. I have a software design background, so you'll see probably me use that to create an online presence, and hopefully you guys will enjoy that as well. I am an ambivert, and so I like to be introverted and extroverted. I'm into family-oriented activities. I love to hike. I love to go nature sightseeing. I love doing that. I love swimming. I love to watch the stars. Like, I love stuff like that. I love to watch waterfalls. I love different things like that because it's just what it is. The main thing for me is that I'm happy within myself, and so with or without anyone, I feel that the most important thing for you or anyone else is to really just be happy within. Be happy. Find a way to get your love from within. that's the best way to keep happy regardless of a relationship. And I'm excited for those who are in a happy relationship and everything like that, and those who are having just some struggles in their relationships, you know. If that's happening to you, my advice is always to just really pour into yourself and give yourself a lot of love. Sometimes we forget that we ourselves are a whole human being that needs our own love. So love up on yourself and care for yourself, and never forget to do that, because that's what's going to lift you up in the end, you know. I love my mom. She's a free spirit. I carry that spirit within me. My dad, he reared me up, and I'm so excited to have all the advice from my dad, my mom over the years. My dad taught me to go to college. I did all of that. I got my master's degree. My mom was like, be whoever you want to do, just be good at it. So I have a twin sister and brother who are twins. No, they are not my twins, but they are twins to each other, a female and a male. They are adults now, and they are much taller than I am. I love chocolate flavor. I love Oreo cookies. I love Oreo ice cream. That's like my first love. And I love chocolate ice cream. That's like my second runner-up. And I love the Oreo ice cream from Disneyland. You guys, if you've never had that before, okay, now you have an excuse to go to Disneyland and check out the Oreo ice cream. I don't know what it is about that ice cream, but I love it. It tastes so good. Hope you guys love my pigtails today. I was trying to go with the fall vibe of doing a little pigtail. I love the summertime. I really do. I have gotten a tan, girl, but I'm telling you, after the tan goes, I tend to get a little light in the winter time, but we shall see, because I'm loving this tan and if it can stay as long as it can, that's good too. Okay, so I gravitate towards dogs and pups. I have nothing against cats. I can rub a cat and love up on a cat, but at the end of the day, I probably wouldn't pick a cat. But they are lovable, both dogs and cats. It's just the claws that kind of gets me hung up a little bit about it. And then the kitty litter thing, the smell and stuff, I couldn't do it. But anyway, I pretty much grew up with dogs. I grew up loving pit bulls. Pretty much we had pit bulls, we had Shih Tzus, and my mother just got a dog recently named Song. I love roller coasters, and it's just the thrill of it all. It's exciting. I just love it. My favorite artist is Mary J. Blige, and I like Luther Vandross. I love Anita Baker. I love Brian McKnight. Like, those are my big ones that I like. But I love a lot of modern day music, and I love alternative songs, pop and rock, alternative. I am an oldies but goodies girl, and I just really love my oldies but goodies girl. And I wish they would make more YouTube music like that, or maybe I just haven't found it. I love skating. I love to watch skating. I wish that I could really skate, but I probably will go out there and learn how to skate. One day I really want to get a little bit more serious about it. I love to read on occasion for self-help improvement, because a girl just is not perfect. So I look for ways that I can improve who I am. Because I think we all need some self-improvement. We'll make for a better world. I'm African American. I have Indian in my family, some Irish, some white, got a little bit of something. So that's just something to know about me, is that I mix with Chinese as well. I love organizing my jewelry and my makeup, and I love decorating my house. I can code in multiple languages. Some Spanish phrases, vocab, but that's as far as it goes. One day maybe I'll learn the whole shebang. Going to the spa and relaxing and taking time for myself. I enjoy learning about health and beauty. I love all 4 seasons and can't understand why some people don't like all 4 seasons. I feel like you get more out of life, more out of the experience of each and every single season. I love to bowl, I love to play chess, I love card games, and I enjoy finding new experiences. I skied down Black Diamond when I was a teenager, and it was so much fun. It was scary, but it was so much fun. that will be all for the 50 questions and answers. So if you like this video content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you hit the bell notification so that you can be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.